Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then. We are back with the results of close-up coins and let's get straight on to the first one. The first one then, one that many people got correct. It is the 2016 Beatrix Potter Jemima Puddle Duck. Number two then, one of my favourite 50p coins, and I'm sure a coin that many of you will have found in your change. It is the 2019 Sherlock Holmes 50p coin. There he is in the middle, smoking his pipe, Sherlock Holmes there in lettering at the top, 50 pence the coin's face value at the bottom. We go back to the Beatrix Potters for number three, and it's actually the first of three Peter Rabbits to be released for circulation, as we like to call him the Peter Rabbit full face half whisker, as he does have half a whisker there, smaller than the others on the left hand side. Number four, and we go on to the alphabet coins, and it is actually the Z for Zebra Crossing. I am getting quite difficult with these. The next one though definitely did confuse a few people. I am trying to make it as hard as possible, but keep it fun and exciting. Number five wasn't the Y10p coin, a few of you did say that one. It's actually the W for World Wide Web. A really nice design, this one. And again, if you are new to coin collecting, it is definitely a W, it's not an M. The M does stand for Macintosh. We move on then to number six, one of two Victoria Cross coins to be released in 2006, but which one is it? It is actually the Victoria Cross Heroics Act. We finish up then with number seven, a coin again that I was very mean with. This coin not released for circulation, but it is part of the 2022 annual coin set, and I do believe that it is actually my favourite commemorative design out of them. Such a clever design indeed. It's the Alexander Graham Bell £2 coin. So the question is, did anyone, and if so, how many, manage to guess all seven of these correct? Plenty of you, 6 in total. Ian Strudwick, Chrissy Cross, Terence Day, Smithy, Debbie Garvey, and also Andy Vickers. A huge shout out to all of you. I do believe that there was a few of you on 6 as well. Squirrel and Coins, Yellow Lighthouse, Norman Graham. A huge shout out to everyone as well that did play along. Another one of these will be up tomorrow, so I really do hope that you do want to take part and you are enjoying the close-up coins game. Again, I do understand that some of them are super difficult. Some of you are just simply amazing. As you can see, 6 people got them all correct. I want to try and get the difficulty right across the board. So again, it is fun and exciting for everyone. So if you don't get them all right, really don't worry about it. You're not at school. It's not a test. It's just for fun. So hopefully, again, everyone is enjoying it at the difficulty level that it is now. Again, I hope you've all had a really nice weekend so far. Again, huge shout out to everyone playing along. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.